Welcome learners to this new session of BA Subsidiary Part 2 class. Today's topic is Animal Farm Lecture 8. When the animal farm was established, all concerned had agreed to a fixed retirement age with pension benefits. Boxer, in spite of an injured split hoof, strives to rebuild the windmill and to keep working up to his retirement. Bitter winter has arrived, and so has the cut in the rations. According to Squealer, the rations for all the animals, save the pigs and dogs, are reduced and readjusted. In order to pacify them, Squealer religiously reads out statistics to the animals, stating that their present life in the farm is better than that of Mr. Jones's farm days. The animals are overworked, underfed, and cold, living the dream shown by Squealer of happiness. There are 31 pigs in the farm, all looked after Napoleon. There is a plan to build a schoolhouse for them in order to keep the pigs segregated from the rest of the animal kids. Napoleon further establishes certain rules which exemplify pig superiority. They are two in number. Number one, other animals must stand aside to let the pigs pass through. Number two, Sundays are the day for the pigs to wear green ribbons on their tails. Every now and then, Napoleon allows himself a generous help of sugar, but no other animal is having a sorry but other animals are having a tough time making their ends meet. So except for Napoleon and the pigs, everyone is living in utter neglect. The hens are forced to lay 600 eggs per week for sale and can barely keep any for hatching. Rations are further reduced, and in order to save oil, animals have been disallowed the use of lamps at night. Strict measures are the order of the day, whereas the pigs thrive on as usual. It was the end of the winter season, and a new food scent wafted through the farm. Soon it was found that Napoleon has been cooking barley meant only for the pigs, and it was the smell of the barley, the cooked barley. Apart from rations, the pigs get an extra pint of beer, whereas Napoleon's share is a gallon of it, the biggest share. To distract the animals from hardships and various anomalies, Napoleon has resorted to propaganda. Now, what is propaganda? Propaganda being communication that is used primarily to target an audience and to further one's agenda. Here, the audience is the animals, and the agenda is the elusive happiness of the animals in the farm, which Napoleon is trying hard to demonstrate. He has resorted to spontaneous demonstrations, which are statistics, banners and posters, poems, slogans, speech, and march victories. The spontaneous demonstrations are a source of great joy to the animals, for it strengthens their belief in their self worth, freedom, and self sufficiency. And it is these things which keep them happy in spite of the hardships faced by them in the farm, because basically nothing has changed in the farm. Come April, and Napoleon declares Animal Farm a republic and is unanimously elected the president. His next move is to prove that Snowball is not just an underhand human collaborator, but a bold ally who charged into the battle with the human side shouting, "Long live the humanity." Moses returns to the farm with his stories of Sugar Candy Mountain, and all the animals enjoy them except for the pigs. Boxer and his team work round the clock relentlessly to complete their added task of making a schoolhouse. Fatigued due to overwork, Boxer becomes unconscious and on reviving expresses his wish to retire early as Benjamin had done. Napoleon's decision is soon conveyed through Squealer that he, that is, Boxer, be shifted to the veterinary hospital at Wellington. The following 2 days he rests in a stall, sipping doses from a large bottle of pink medicine. One afternoon, a van arrives to take away Boxer. To utter dismay of the hopeful crowd of animals, Benjamin reads out from the side of the van. Alfred Simmons, horse slaughterer and glue boiler, Willingdon, dealer in hides and bone meal, kennels supplied. Alarmed, the animals try to free Boxer, but to no avail, for he is too weak to move himself and break the gates to escape. All plea to the horses drawing the cart fall to deaf ears. They are of no help. 3 days later, it is announced by the pigs that Boxer succumbed to his injury and died despite best care given to him. Squealer claims to have witnessed Boxer's last moments, adds emotionally his last words: "Forward, comrades! Forward in the name of the rebellion! Long live Animal Farm! Long live Comrade Napoleon!" Napoleon is always right. Stories are cooked up to cover up the incidents. The next Sunday is fixed for a memorial banquet and a special wreath given to the memory of Boxer. On the day of the banquet, a crate arrives, and that night the pigs are boisterous and wild and do not wake up till late afternoon the next day. It was rumored that a crate full of whiskey had arrived that day inside the farm. So it is to be continued till next session. Thank you.